And I do want to show you on radar, Teresa, because I think a few of those flurries could make it into North Texas tonight.
All right.
I'm not going to put it in my forecast because that's how little of it will actually reach the ground if we see this make it in. But this is that same band of snow that actually did provide for whiteout conditions anywhere from Amarillo towards Lubbock. Now, some of those flurries, again, could make it into North Texas. I am not expecting this to be a widespread thing. This will mostly be for our northwestern counties. And again, it'll be just a flurry. We're not expecting any accumulation with this that happens overnight. I do want to, again, emphasize that Sunday and Monday are WFAA weather impact days, weather alert days. This is for specifically 3 in the morning to 10 in the morning on Sunday. And again, on Monday, what this means is that we are expecting dangerous cold to settle in with low temperatures in the low 20s, the mid 20s, with wind chills in the single digits and in the teens. What you need to do, hopefully you've already done, is the 4 Ps, right? Make sure that your people that you're checking in on, make sure that you have a plan for your pets, your plants, and of course, make sure those pipes are taken care of before midnight tonight. You want to make sure to dress in layers, not just Sunday and Monday. You're going to want to do that through next week, and I'll show you those low temperatures in just a bit. We do have a cold weather advisory in place for all of North Texas. This is through 9 in the morning on Sunday, and it's issued by the National Weather Service, but this is for wind chills as low as 5 degrees in some locations. Right now, temperature has dropped to freezing in Dallas. We're at 32 degrees. If you're in Fort Worth, you've been there for an hour or so. 29 degrees for you, 27 in Denton, 29 in McKinney. But we have a strong north wind right now, and that's what's helping bring down the wind chill. So it actually does feel like the low 20s in many locations already. But by the time tomorrow morning rolls around, temperature will actually drop to about 23 degrees in Dallas, 22 in Fort Worth, 23 for Denton and in McKinney. Widespread 20s with a strong north wind. It's going to feel like the teens across the Metroplex, but look at this. It'll feel like 8 degrees in Decatur, 9 in Gainesville, Mineral Wells, 7 degrees for the feels like temperature in Bowie, Texas tomorrow morning. Here's how the day plays out tomorrow. We start out at 23 degrees. A few of us will make it into the single digits for that feels like temp. Temperature climbs to 30 degrees around 11. By noon tomorrow, I do think we'll be at 32 degrees. We climb above freezing tomorrow afternoon for a few hours. 36 degrees for the high. That'll be around 3 in the afternoon, but the feels like temperature will remain in the 20s all afternoon. And by the time 7 p.m. rolls around, yeah, we'll already be back to freezing temperatures, and then the cold settles in again Sunday night. By Monday morning, temperature of 21 degrees. 24 on Tuesday, 22 on Wednesday, and 26 on Thursday. This is not record cold. And this is not the coldest temperature that we've seen in recent years. In fact, around this time last year, we had a low temperature of 11 degrees. So we're nowhere near that. And this is not record cold on any given day, but it's still cold enough to be dangerous and prolonged period of cold, meaning we do see freezing temperatures every morning through at least Friday. But every afternoon, we do see those temperatures climb above freezing. I did talk about the potential for some flurries. I do think that'll happen mainly to our southeast. This will happen Monday night into Tuesday. It will not be a lot. Most of us will see a trace to no accumulation at all. You'll just see those pretty flurries in the air, and only 20% of the area will see it at that. Better opportunity for accumulation towards the south, though. Let me show you that. This is going Monday night into Tuesday. You see that white there, anywhere from Waco to Austin towards Houston. We have the potential to see a really decent snowfall along the Gulf Coast. Really, not only that, but the dangerous cold as well. Cold weather advisory does extend for those locations as well. So a big portion of Texas dealing with this intense cold over the next several days. Cold and dry tonight, temperature of 23 degrees. Tomorrow, a high near 37 degrees. We do have WFAA weather alert days for Sunday and on Monday, so definitely want to make sure to stay tuned to the forecast as we track that. WFAA Plus has continuous extended coverage for you, and you can keep up to date on our radar as well as our temperatures. That's all on WFAA Plus, but yeah, just buckle in.